In triangle PQR, line QR is 2 centimeter. This line is 2 centimeter. This is the triangle that we're talking about. In triangle PQR, line QR is 2 centimeter. Angle PRQ is 60 degree, and angle PQR is 90 degree. Find line PR. This is the line that we're looking for. This line. Are you getting it? Okay. We have option A, 4 root 3 centimeter. Option B, 4 centimeter. Option C, 2 root 4 centimeter. Option D, 4 root 3 over 3 centimeter. Please kindly pay attention. How do we get the line PR? To get the line PR, we have to use a mnemonic device that we used to use in trigonometry. You know, in trigonometry, there is a concept known as SOH CAH TOA. In an attempt to help us to explain the relationship that exists between the three sides of a right angle triangle, we use this mnemonic device. Do you understand? Okay, please pay attention. So is what? Opposite over hypotenuse, you know, and CAH is what? Cosine, and that is adjacent over hypotenuse. Why we have TOA as tangent? Tan of an angle is equals to the opposite over adjacent. Now, among these three mnemonic devices, which one combines the adjacent and the hypotenuse? Because I told you in our previous class, if you are part of our class on trigonometry, you shouldn't find these to answer, because the side that faces the right angle triangle is hypotenuse side. Do you understand? And the side that the angles that we are considering face is the opposite side, you know, and the last side is the adjacent side. Okay, so this is the adjacent. Now we have been given that the adjacent is 2 centimeter. We are looking for the hypotenuse. What can we use that combines the adjacent and hypotenuse among what we have here? It is cosine. So I'm going to have the cos of the angle that we are looking for. The cos of the angle that we are given. The cos of the angle that we are considering. The angle that we are considering is what? 60 degrees. So the cos 60 degrees is equals to adjacent, which is A, over hypotenuse, which is H. So adjacent is what? 2. So I'm going to have 2 all over hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is unknown, so let us represent it with a letter, which is x. So all over x. Now cos 60 degree is 1 over 2, or 0.5. So I'm going to have 1 over 2 equals to 2 over x. If you take the cross product, you are going to have x times 1 equals to 2 times 2. 2 times 2 will give you 4. So the hypotenuse is 4 centimeter. Do you understand? Okay, that means that the correct option to that question is option B, that is 4 centimeter. Okay, now let us proceed to the next question. A sector of a circle of radius 21 centimeter subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Find the length of the arc of the sector. Please pay attention. Kindly pay attention here. Let us draw the diagram. This is a circle. This is a circle. Now, we are told that the circle has a radius of 21 centimeters. So that means that any line that comes from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference is the radius of the circle. Okay, so if I draw a line that comes from here to this place, that is the radius. Okay, 21 centimeter. Do you understand? Now, because it is a sector, that means I'm going to have another radius that joins it from this place. So this one that you say, okay, just pay attention. If this one is 21 centimeter, this will also be what? 21 centimeter. Do you understand? 21 centimeter. Now we are asked to find the length of the arc of the sector. The angle which this radius subtends is what? 120. So this angle is 120 degree. Okay, how do we calculate the length of the arc? This is what we are looking for. The length that we are looking for is this length. Let me call this length AB. Okay, what we are looking for is this. This is the length that we are looking for. So how do we calculate this length? Well,
to watch the complete class, kindly click on the link in the description of this video or the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.